Today is the day that we are picking up our beautiful 565, and I feel like I'm pinching myself, like, is this day actually real? But we've literally just seen the boat, and it's a work of art. It's just so beautiful. So electronics is obviously a really important part of any boat. I've gone with the Simrad system. There's a couple of like really good features with the Simrad system, and being relatively sort of new to the boating game, like over the last sort of few years, I found the Simrad units, the interface is just really user friendly. I find it quite easy to navigate for someone like myself. To power this beautiful beast, I've opted for a Mercury 200. You can go down from what the guys have told me to a little bit less than a 200, but I really didn't want something that was undergunned. I wanted something that was powerful, reliable, and the Merc 200 in the V6 is just a beautiful sounding engine, and it's got all the capabilities for what we want for this boat. So it was an easy choice, and I think it looks amazing in the white as well. It's really cool seeing all the custom, like bespoke features that we've selected with the color and, you know, the seats, and seeing it all come together. Like, this is the first time for us. Like, I've never gone through this process before. So, you know, all the Edencraft team have just been so helpful and just kind of really set my mind at ease. You know, the way things have gone with the build and helped me select the right things for how we want this boat to be used for us as a family with our kids, you know, for fishing trips and all of the above. And I'm just over the moon at the result. It's beautiful. It's just so nice.
So many memories to be made from here on in.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we really do feel like we're part of the Edencraft family now.
Yeah, that's it. And we actually looked back on it, and it's almost like 10 years to the day that we did our block auction. And I said to Kara, now we can go on a boat trip. And what did you say?
I said, why don't you just buy a boat?
Fast
Here we are 10 years later.
10 years later, and we actually have done it. And it is just, yeah, it's a dream come true. Oh, yeah.